Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda CD50 Benly, getting very rare and sought after these days. It's a 1995 4-speed bike in good condition, had a little light restoration and detailing from us here, and it's on to the next person who wants to do any more work to her if she's nice. But all mechanicals have been done, serviced, ready to rock, and in overall nice condition. I would say it has good patina. The seat has been fitted with like this kind of cafe racer seat that we think looks really good. Starting at the front then, front tire is good, front mudguard as you can see throughout, a little bit of aging, same with the front shocks. Original headlamp and indicators, the chrome wheel is good, spoked wheel I should say. Up over the top, only 10,000 kilometers and with an original key. So coming down to the tank then, up over the top, everything in really nice condition. Badges on the left hand side good as well, tank good too. A little bit of fading in the CD50 on the left hand side. Side panel, but the side panel's good, no cracks, anything like that. Small bit of aging on the engine cover casings. The chain guard is present with a small bit of aging as well, but again nothing too major. Chrome is looking good on the rear wheel too. Original indicators and brake light at the back as well. Little bit of pitting on the chrome on the indicators here. The rear tire is good, and the exhaust here is original and good to go also. Right hand side cover casing, or side panel I should say, is probably best condition than the other one. The kickstart is good here, everything all good around this side. The tank in really nice nick also, and again same at the front with the pitting on the indicators. Overall, for an 85 CD50, good condition, running well, and let's go for a spin. Okay, onto a wonderful Honda CD50 Benly. Very rare bike nowadays, particularly in any sort of good condition. Now I have to remember, I believe it's probably all down. Yeah, all down and all back for gears. Lovely little bike, front headlamp working, indicators all working, and yeah, really nice little bike, tidy little thing, showing a bit of patina, but I think that's pretty cool on these little things. Clutch spike, which I actually prefer over just the semi-automatic boxes that these Honda C50s have as well. Up and around, low and high beam working, and away we go. Gorgeous little bike, getting up to speed, super nimble, and let's hope we have good brakes. Yes we do. Rear brake probably needed as well. And away we go. Second gear, third gear. Well, now we go up to the top. We'll do a little bit of a spin, we'll come down, you'll see the speed up the hill, speed down the hill. Third gear is about it uphill. You don't want the fourth at the minute. And we're gonna drop down into second tier now and move it around. So you've seen the bike now running, stopping, starting, all the lights, everything like that. You can make up your own mind now, 100%. We're the only motorcycle dealership in the whole of Ireland to do anything like this. It's a real luxury, and I wish everyone did it, but you know, it takes a lot. So I would appreciate if you could give us a like, comment and subscribe on our YouTube channel. We're nearly at 10,000 subscribers. So it would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, that's been it for this video now. So again, if you want to reach out to us about this bike, at Retro Bikes Dublin for our Facebook and Instagram, and www.retrobikesdublin.com for our official website. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.